What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So we all know that Bitcoin is really running. Right now it's at 67K, really about to test that level that it was at previously, the all-time high that we have seen previously, and it's just slowly getting up to that point. It's not anything that's, rapidly growing. It did rapidly grow in the beginning, but it's slowly increasing to the levels of getting over, the all-time high. But what we want to do in this video is talk about the market, but mainly the thing that I wanted to talk about was my top crypto coins that I believe are going to blow next. And it's probably going to be altcoins. It's not going to be anything where we're looking at something like Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're obviously going to look at them here just to see where the price is and how they've grown. But we're going to look at my top 5 coins. And I'll let you know when I'm getting into that. It'll probably be somewhere around maybe 4 minutes in, might be 3 minutes. I don't really know. Don't really structure these videos based on time, but it will be the second segment. So before we get started, guys, hit the like button. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you get your free stocks and all of these other things in the description where you can get free $10 of Bitcoin when you sign up with Coinbase. There's a lot of different things down there, so definitely check those out, as well as checking out some of my other channels. But let's dive into this. So right now, the crypto market, the market cap for the entire crypto market is at 2.64 trillion. It's up about 5%. And Bitcoin's dominance has, decreased over the past day, but, you're still seeing it up in that like sort of 50% mark. It's still up in the level of 47%, as you can see here on the screen. The current price is at 66,579. So it's really testing those all-time highs. You're also seeing Ethereum end up making a move. It did jump over $4,000 today, which is definitely a great sign, because whenever you see Bitcoin and Ethereum move, you know that altcoins are next. So that's the reason why I wanted to talk about different coins in this video and where it's going to end up moving from here. So let's jump into that. See, it's only 2 minutes. You didn't have to wait that long. Let's jump right into that and get to the first coin that I have here. Now, the first coin that I have is ADA. I believe ADA is going to make a big move in the next upcoming months. The reason being is because you're seeing a lot of movement with Bitcoin and Ethereum. You're also going to see some movement in Binance and BNB. You're going to see some movement in ADA. ADA is number 3 on the list of popularity, number 4 on the list when it comes to market cap, I believe. It goes back and forth, but still, this is one of those positions that's really high on the list when it comes to market cap, because a lot of people do stake the position. But I want to focus on this right here. This typical hold time, what I talked about yesterday in my video, ADA to $5. If you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check it out. It's on my channel. But you're going to see that 67 typical days of hold time is really, really good. That's up in that level of Bitcoin and Ethereum, up in that top level, and that's why it deserves to be there. Now, the circulating supply is something that really gets me worried, because the circulating supply is so high, right? But it's not like crazy high to where it's at Dogecoin levels or Shiba Inu levels. It's at a level to where it's comfortable, it's manageable to get to certain levels, $5, $6, $10. I definitely see this getting to a point in the next upcoming months, maybe 3 months or so. You could see this get to a level over that $100 billion mark, pushing that $200 billion mark. So this is definitely one of those coins to keep an eye on. At this price of $2.19, I think it's a great price to get in. For me, I'm going to be, pushing to more or less stake it and gain interest from it, rather than just caring about the price growth. But the price growth will happen. The next coin that I have here, I talked about as well, Gitcoin. Gitcoin has 14.2 million circulating supply. That's the whole reason why I do love this. It does have a great use case. I'm not going to sit here and talk about use cases. I'm going to talk about the potential based on the numbers that we do see, not hypothetical, information or news, because news can be a catalyst. It can be a negative catalyst, a positive catalyst, whatever. So I'm going to focus on a lot of the potential, and the potential of this coin shows a ton. At 14.2 million, right now the market cap's only sitting at 154 million. This leaves so much room to grow, at least 10 times to get to a level of 1 billion. If you're looking at the average of $3 to $10 billion market cap, then you're looking at higher and higher numbers. But I think that this coin, how fast it can grow and how recently, it has grown pretty fast, I would be shocked if I don't see this in a level above $50 at least, in the next couple of months, and way higher probably. So that's my second coin there. The typical hold time needs to come up. That's one thing I want to focus on. And the popularity is another thing I want to focus on. 95th popularity, you want that to go up. You want that to be somewhere in the level of 50th popularity. Once you do get to that level, you're going to see this market cap rise. You're going to see basically the price rise. And know that this is so new that you have time to actually see what it can be. So Gitcoin is definitely on my list when it comes to coins that will blow. Another one is Cosmos. Cosmos is one of those interest earning coins that you can get on Coinbase, and it's become very, very popular on the platform. As you can see right now, it's 20th on this platform. This makes me see that this has so much potential to grow from here. Seeing only 223 million circulating supply, the current market cap is at 8 billion. I can see that 10x. I can see that get to a level of 80 billion and basically 10x that value that's there. So instead of $36, it'll be $360. That's what I'm seeing is a large increase once people continue to try and gain that 5% yield every single month or every year, basically gaining full 5%. And I think it's going to be really good. The typical hold time is at 37 days, and it will go higher and higher as people continue to hold it. So Cosmos is definitely one of those positions. You can really say that for a lot of interest earning crypto coins on Coinbase, but this one has a low circulating supply, which is something I really like to focus on when it comes to potential. So Cosmos is my third one. The next one is Compound. This has a low circulating supply of 6 million comp. So seeing 6 million coins out there shows that this has a full capability of growing really fast. The thing that gets me worried, again, typical hold time is at 8 days. As you can see right down there, 8 days. Popularity is on the higher side, and you can see the current price is at 325. I still think that you can find a way to either, if you buy now, you can average in when it does go lower, because it does move relatively quickly. It can move up to 400, it can come back down to 300, go back down to 270, but it moves very quickly, and you could definitely make some moves. But this is going to blow up with a $2 billion market cap. When it catches fire, which you will see in altcoin season, it will be really, really big. And this is all just my opinion. None of it's financial advice. It's really just my opinion. And these are all positions that I currently hold. So it's not something where I'm just selling you something that I'm not holding or I don't believe in, because I do believe in it. And the last position that I have is Quant. Quant is at $294, and the circulating supply is around 12 million, which is low. Kind of compare that to Gitcoin, and if you're looking at the two and the same circulating supply, where Quant has a lower circulating supply, if you compare the two, you can see Gitcoin is at a very low price compared to where Quant is right now. But you're looking at a typical hold time of 14 days. So that's not that high either, but the popularity is high. People buy and sell this thing. They move it very, very quickly, which is not the biggest thing that you can see, the best thing that you could see when it comes to a position. But it is really, really good to see that it is moving, that it has the volume, because when you have the volume, it creates popularity. People see it, that it is moving based on that volume, and maybe they filter by that, and now they're starting to get in those positions because they are moving so much. But this is definitely one of those positions that I can get in. I can go on and on about different coins that will move, but these are the top coins that I'm looking at that I believe will move quite a bit. I'm very bullish on Gitcoin. I'm very bullish on Cosmos and Cardano, as well as Comp and Quant. So let me know what you think about these picks. Do you think that these are going to be movers? As we're seeing Bitcoin and Ethereum move, we're getting ready to see all of these altcoins make a huge move. So I'm getting prepared. I'm starting to stack up a lot of different coins that are maybe lower in value, some that have a lot more potential than others. And it seems to be paying off. I mean, a lot of my lower ones are paying off. These are paying off. Let me know what your opinion is on a lot of these coins. But that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Make sure you check out all my channels across YouTube, whether it's the golf channel, the MP Shorts channel. I do quick updates there, which is like a minute long. Sometimes it's a little bit longer, but it's a minute long. I also have my reaction channel and my gaming channel, everything. Go and check all that stuff out. link will be in the description somewhere. But I'm going to get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.